I started to pull this out, and I thought, what am I doing? I need to do an unboxing. Start the camera. Hey, everybody. So here we are, little unboxing video for a order that I got from Henry at SS Glass Art. It is the holiday season, and I wanted to ramp up some of my goods here from the holiday shop. I'm looking for my, here we go, my cutter. So I thought I would just show you quickly what I got. I don't know if these will all become project videos or if I'm just gonna, get to work, but you could at least see some of what I got here. So let's start this way. We have I feel like I just heard a snap. So did I just break that? See, that's what happens when I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. I may have just broken a piece. These are fun. I actually do have a video using these, and I wanted more, and so I ordered more. I did break it. Damn it. That's all right. It's fixable. So these are backwards for you, but they say ho ho ho. So it's a set of 3. There's a larger one and 2 smaller ones. I broke this one right at the O there, but it's not, I confused that and nobody will know the difference. So those are backwards, but that's what it is. Ho ho ho. As you probably are aware in watching my videos, Henry's products are available on Etsy. I'll always include links in the video notes, so you can go look for those there. Look at these amazing cardinals. I love them. Really awesome cardinals. You can probably tell what this is. Ugly, well, not ugly, it's just red, but an ugly Christmas sweater. So I'm gonna play around with these, which are always popular at the holiday season. And Henry has them in a couple of different colors. So there's the red sweaters. There's another set of sweaters. There's some white sweaters and some more white sweaters. So I'm gonna have some fun with those. Hope everybody's doing well. If you're out there doing shows, I hope they're going great for you. Catch you all later. Bye-bye.